Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming how the Ps4 controller is linked to your PC, USB, or Bluetooth, because the removal steps differ. Once done, open Settings, navigate to Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices so you can view paired peripherals. If the controller is wired, unplug the USB cable now. If wireless, keep the controller powered so Windows can see it and you can select it. Make sure any game or app using the pad is closed to prevent conflicts during removal. Now you remove the device entry. Select the dual shock or wireless controller in the device list and click Remove Device to unpair it from Windows. You do this because removing the OS level pairing prevents automatic reconnection. Once you confirm the prompt, wait a few seconds for Windows to unregister drivers. If Bluetooth was used, you may also need to clear pairing on the controller itself or within your Bluetooth adapter's utility to stop repairing. This ensures a clean disconnection and avoids phantom devices. Finish by restarting your PC to clear any lingering drivers or services that might keep the controller active. This finalizes removal. If Windows still shows the device, open Device Manager and uninstall the controller drivers or update the Bluetooth adapter driver to fix detection issues. Make sure to press the controller's reset button for 10 seconds if it keeps reconnecting. This clears onboard pairing. If problems continue, recheck Bluetooth settings and repeat removal. Doing these steps resolves most reconnection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.